In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use adaptive cards in Copilot Studio to ask engaging questions and collect structured information from your users. To get started, sign into Microsoft Copilot Studio and open the Copilot you want to edit. Make sure you're working in the correct bot before making changes, especially if you manage more than one project. Once you're inside, head to the Topics tab and choose the specific topic where you want to add the card. This is important because the adaptive card will appear as part of that conversation flow. So you want to place it in the exact topic where users will need to provide information. Next, click the plus icon just below your last node. From the menu that appears, select Ask a Question and then choose Ask with an Adaptive Card. This option lets you collect information in a more interactive and structured way than a standard text prompt. It's especially useful when you want users to fill out a small form directly inside the conversation. After adding the card, click on the Adaptive Card node to open the Properties panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you'll manage the setup and configuration for the card. From there, click Edit JSON if you want to customize the card design manually, or paste in a pre-made template from the Adaptive Cards website if you want a faster starting point. Using a template can save time, but you can always fine-tune it later to match your scenario. As you build or edit the card, make sure it includes input fields such as text boxes or drop-down menus. These fields are what allow users to submit structured responses. It's also essential that each input field has a unique ID. Those IDs act like labels behind the scenes, helping Copilot Studio recognize which answer belongs to which field. Once your card layout is ready, scroll down to the Output Variables section in Copilot Studio. Here, match each card input ID to a new or existing variable. This step is what connects the user's answers to data you can actually use later in the topic. So take a moment to confirm that each field is mapped correctly. Finally, save your topic and open the test panel on the left to try out the card yourself. Submit a few sample responses and verify that the answers are being stored correctly in the variables you assigned. Testing is a great way to catch mismatched IDs or missing fields before users interact with the topic. With that done, you now know how to build interactive forms and gather detailed user data effortlessly using Copilot Studio.